Hey YouTube, it's Don here. Just wanted to give you guys a quick review on this AR-15. I've talked about it before. It's kind of a Franken gun, but just wanted to make this video kind of go over some things just for you new guys out there kind of looking for maybe an AR instead of an AK. And I know I've always doing AK videos, but I think this is a very high quality AR. It is, it's kind of a Franken gun. It's got Aero Precision upper, civilian force arms lower, civilian force arms, bolt carrier group. It's got a POF trigger. It's got I believe that's a UTG, pistol grip, Mission First Tactical, buttstock, Vortex Spark 2 red dot. It's got a Bravo Company Mod 0, or no, it's a Mod 1 I think, compensator on there. It's got the stock sights. It's got an Omega charging handle. It's got a Voltor heavy buffer with spring. Anyway, initially this rifle would have been really cheap to upgrade. Kind of ended up being more expensive than what it needed to be. But that's just kind of because Civilian Force Arms decided that they were not going to help my roommate out. This is his rifle because they told him that he voided the warranty. Not really sure how he did that. When he sent the rifle in, it was bone stock. So I'm not really sure what they're talking about. But anyways, and also he had reached out to them multiple times and pretty much got told, sorry, we're not going to help you. So that's why he had to get a different upper. But Aero Precision helped him out. And he's very happy with this rifle. But I want to do this video just because this is kind of what you could get into for fairly cheap. The lower probably retail around 300. The upper I think was around 400. Obviously the Vortex Spark 2 I think was like 200, 220, I don't know, it was a little over 200. The Bravo Company compensator was like 100. The POF stage 1 4.5 pound trigger was a little bit pricey. That was like $199. The Voltor heavy buffer and spring I think was like 60. I don't think there's anything else. That light on there is just a cheap $25 light that I gave him just because I had extra. And it's just always good to have a light on your rifle, especially for home defense. So you can identify that target. The front forward pistol grip up there, or the foregrip I should say, it does have a retractable bipod. I actually used that one in Iraq and just didn't have a use for it, and he really likes it. So it's just a really solid shooting rifle. Granted, if he wouldn't have had the trouble that he had, he wouldn't have had to spend as much money. But if you kind of break the parts down, you can kind of see that it's really not an insanely expensive rifle, and you can kind of really piece this rifle together. I really enjoy shooting this rifle. It's got a 14.5 inch barrel. I'd probably stick with nothing less than that, or no shorter than that, I should say. But just want to give you guys a quick update on this rifle. It's shot flawlessly. He's got about 4,000 rounds through it now. No issues, not even one. So that's just something to think about. Aero Precision is awesome. It's unfortunate that CFA was not willing to help him out, but it is what it is. So that being said, guys, again, I hope you guys are having a good 4th of July. Enjoying yourself, being safe. There's lots of fireworks going on. My roommate's dog, Bianca, she's freaking out, but it is what it is. Anyway, yeah, take care, be safe, and Semper Fi.